Ed and Amadeo have brought me to what they're telling me is a very, very special place here on the waterfront in Genoa. And what is this? Where are we?
Boccadasse.
And the what?
Boccadasse.
And what is this? A little...
It is village.
It's a village?
Mm-hmm.
A village in Genoa. Wow.
Yes.
And it's nearly a full moon. You can see the moon shining on the Mediterranean there. Just what a beautiful, beautiful evening it is.
We walk there.
We walk there just.
Look at this. People are down on the rocks having a picnic. Just really, really nice. There's always something special about being in Italy. Really is a wonderful place. So we're going to continue our walk down through here. This used to be it used to be, or it is a fishing village. And it's a Friday night. I can just hear the crowd ahead of us. Really doesn't need a lot of narration.
Portato sta in Boccadasse dalla discesa, che è stato carino quel posticino.
Anch'io, se magari poi mi addormento, no?
Boy, what a scene. Saying there's some pretty expensive real estate here. I don't know if it's the moon shining or not, but look at the two of them just holding hands, you know?
Gelateria.
Oh, Antica Gelateria. Oh, it's Amadeo. This is Amadeo's Antica Gelateria. This is what they were telling me about, his other business. So Amadeo, I didn't know that he owns a gelateria. Gelateria? Gelateria, okay. It took me a few tries to get it right. But there you have it. So this is a pretty, I guess it's a pretty famous gelateria. I'm just going to kind of step in and take a look. Wow. Antica Gelateria. You know, from Sermione to Genoa. The Amadeo Antica Gelateria. different flavors that you can get. All right. So we'll get in line, I guess.
No, siamo tutti e due a casa. Mia madre.
Well, they're standing in line. Are you in line?
Yeah.
You are. Amadeo, you own the place. What the hell are you doing standing in line? Huh? Go up there and say, scusi, I'm Amadeo. Huh?
He's in secret.
Okay. So, there you have it, folks. This is what they were talking about, the Amadeo Antica Gelateria. All right, so while they hold my place in line, I'm going to go walk around a little bit.
Ogni giorno.
You saved my spot in line, okay? Save my spot in line. Look at this. Magical. I think I did a video last week called a Magical Ceremony Night. And here we have a magical Genova night. And I think I heard some live music, if I'm not mistaken. It really is something to be going from the banks of the Danube to the shore of the Mediterranean. Older folks just sitting on the wall. Nice evening.
Questa era finita.
Quite a scene, I must say. Nobody's in the water. To the Amadeo and Antica Gelateria. What a wonderful evening. So as luck would have it, these lovely ladies were sitting here and all smiles, and I thought to ask them what this is, what's happening here tonight. And this lovely lady here in the center, what are your names?
Chiara.
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 Chiara. So just very quickly, what is this that we're seeing here tonight?
Well, tonight we were in Genoa, in Boccadasse, and this very magical songer are involved to repeat and to sing again the music of De André, that is a great poet of music. It's not music, it's a poem. A poem. Yes, is a music that touch our heart. Is the music with which we born here in Genoa, and my generation really enjoy this music, and is something that for us is very magical. And this place is really beautiful. Yes.
Now, were you singing?
No,
were you singing?
Yes, I sing, but I'm not very special. It's not in my no. But I like. But the beautiful music is the music of our heart.
Yes.
And I think that music, like wine, like the good food, join all the heart all over the world.
Wonderful. Hey, I'm curious about something. I've been here now for about 24 hours, and I've seen no Starbucks.
Yes.
Where are the Starbucks?
Well, Genoa is a very strange city because it's very conservative, very traditional. Is the city where born Cristoforo Colombo.
Yes.
And in Genoa you find the great traveler like me,
yes,
or people that stay all the life in Genoa. But both this type of people love so strongly our city. It's beautiful. I come very often in the US,
yes,
6 times in the year,
yes,
and so I enjoy everything in the foreign country. But when I come back in my city, I feel something very special, because it's a very special city that fight a lot in the history,
yes,
and this music represents really the light moment, the sun, the sand, the beautiful building, the colored building. It's very nice.
Well, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Very, very much.
Enjoy Italy.
You would appreciate a quote that I was just sharing, and the quote says, "I am not the same, having seen the moon shine on the other side of the world."
Wow, fantastic.
And tonight I am seeing the moon shine on the other side of the world, and it is beautiful.
Yes, it's very beautiful.
Okay, thank you. Grazie.
Thank you.